In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the indentation of your paragraphs in a document. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're working on a professional report, your latest essay, or simply refining a personal project. Let's walk through a few different methods to decrease the indent of your paragraphs and make sure your document looks just the way you want it. First, let's take a look at the Home tab. This is the main area where you'll find a lot of tools for formatting your text. In particular, we have the paragraph group. Within this group, you'll spot an icon with a left-pointing arrow. This is the Decrease Indent button. When you select the paragraph that you want to adjust, simply click on this icon. This will move your paragraph closer to the left margin, thereby decreasing the indent. It's a quick and easy way to make adjustments without having to navigate through complex menus. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and efficiency, we have a great one for you. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+M. This combination will decrease the left indent of your paragraph by one default increment. It's a fantastic option if you find yourself regularly tweaking the layout of your document. It helps keep the process smooth and efficient, so you can focus more on content and less on formatting. Now, let's move on to another method that offers a more visual approach. You might find it particularly handy if you're adjusting multiple indents or need more control over the exact placement. This method involves using the ruler. If you don't see the ruler at the top of your document workspace, don't worry. Simply head over to the View tab and check the option for Ruler to make it visible. Once the ruler is displayed, you'll notice a number of markers on it. To adjust the indent, focus on the left indent marker or the first line indent marker, which is typically represented as a small triangle. By clicking and dragging this marker to the left, you can finely tune the indent of your paragraph. It's a straightforward, manual way to adjust your text and allows for precise control. Great for when you're dealing with custom formatting needs. These methods provide you with versatile options tailored to different preferences and skills, whether you like clicking buttons, using keyboard shortcuts, or visual adjustments. Mastering these simple techniques can make your document look neat and professionally laid out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy formatting!